Something deep inside was missing, though I wished upon every star. Then you came into my story with a smile so warm and true. Now every beautiful thing around me reminds my heart of you. The morning breeze whispers softly, the sunset paints the sea. Every little piece of heaven brings your love back to me. Your love is the beauty around me, the sunshine shining through the trees. Every wave upon the ocean carries your sweet melody. Your love is the beauty around me, the greatest gift I'll ever see. One heart, one love, forever true. My paradise begins with you. The palm trees dance a little slower, the birds sing sweeter in the sky. The flowers bloom in brighter colors since the day you caught my eye. Every rainbow after rainfall, every star above the sea feels like heaven gently telling me you were made for me. Every sunrise feels much warmer, every evening feels so bright. Your love fills my world with wonder, morning, noon, and night. Your love is the beauty around me, the sunshine shining through the trees. Every wave upon the ocean carries your sweet melody. Your love is the beauty around me, the greatest gift I'll ever see. One heart, one love, forever true. My paradise begins with you. When the moon shines on the water and the island falls asleep, I thank the Lord for every blessing, for a love so pure and deep. No treasure hidden in the ocean, no diamond shining blue could ever match the priceless feeling of waking up with you. If tomorrow brings the rainfall, we'll dance beneath the sky. If the winds become much stronger, our love will never die. Like the tide returns forever, like the sunrise greets the sea, I'll keep loving you completely for all eternity. Now every road is full of laughter, every dream is bright and new. The island feels like heaven every day I spend with you. The ocean sings our love song, the breeze calls out your name, and every beautiful thing around me will never be the same. Your love is the beauty around me, the light that brightens every day. Every flower, every ocean shows your love in its own way. Your love is the beauty around me, the sweetest blessing life could bring. One love, one dream, eternally. Forever you're my everything. There was a time my heart stood still, like quiet waters on the bay. I longed for love to find me and wash my lonely days away. Then you came like an island breeze, gentle as the morning sea. With one sweet smile you touched my soul and set my spirit free. Now every sunrise shines much brighter, every sunset glows anew. The whole world feels alive again, all because of you. You made my world dance with the waves, you filled my heart with brighter days. Every ocean sings our song, in your love is where I belong. You made my world dance with the waves, like paradise that never fades. One heart, one love, one melody, forever you'll dance with me. The palm trees sway to our rhythm, the seabirds soar across the blue. The reggae music fills the shoreline, every note reminds me of you. Every flower opens slowly, every rainbow lights the sky. Even the stars seem to sparkle more whenever you're nearby. The island breeze whispers softly, calling out your name. Every beautiful moment has never been the same. You made my world dance with the waves, you fill my heart with brighter days. Every ocean sings our song, in your love is where I belong. You made my world dance with the waves, like paradise that never fades. One heart, one love, one melody, forever you'll dance with me. When the evening paints the water with shades of gold and crimson skies, I see forever in your smile and heaven in your eyes. No treasure hidden in the deep could ever shine this bright. Your love is the greatest miracle that fills my days with light. If tomorrow brings the rain, we'll dance through every storm again. If the winds begin to blow, together we'll just let love flow. Like the tide that finds the shore, I'll keep loving you more and more. Every season, every sea, you'll always be the song in me. Now every morning feels like heaven, every evening feels complete. The island sings with happiness every time our two hearts meet. The waves keep moving to the rhythm, the breeze carries love so true. My world keeps dancing every day, because it dances with you. You made my world dance with the waves, you fill my soul with joyful days. Every sunrise, every sea brings your sweet love back to me. You made my world dance with the waves, a love that time can never change. One love, one dream eternally, forever you'll be my melody. The ocean rolls beneath the sky, the palm trees wave as time goes by. My heart will always sing this praise. You made my world dance with the waves. shine brighter tonight. There was a time the night felt empty, the moonlight couldn't warm my soul. I searched beneath 1,000 heavens, trying to make my heart feel whole. Then you came like gentle moonlight, soft as waves upon the sea. From that moment every heartbeat began a brand new melody. Now every breeze carries your name. Nothing in my life's the same. The whole sky seems to celebrate the love that came without delay. Because of you, the stars shine brighter tonight, like diamonds dancing in the moonlight. Every wave reflects your love, like a blessing from above. Because of you, the stars shine brighter tonight. You turn my darkness into light. One heart, one love, one destiny. Forever, you're the world to me. The palm trees sway beneath the heavens, the ocean whispers soft and low. The reggae rhythm fills the island with a peaceful, gentle flow. Every flower seems to blossom, every breeze feels fresh and new. Every beautiful thing around me reminds my heart of you. Every sunset leaves a promise, every sunrise starts anew. Every day becomes more beautiful, simply because of you. Shine brighter tonight, like diamonds dancing in the moonlight. Every wave reflects your love, like a blessing from above. Because of you, the stars shine brighter tonight. You turn my darkness into light. One heart, one love, one destiny. No treasure hidden in the ocean, no rainbow after rain could ever match the joy I feel whenever you say my name. If tomorrow brings the rainfall, we'll dance beneath the sky. If the winds begin to whisper, our love will never die. Like the tide returns forever, like the stars that always shine, I'll keep loving you each moment. Forever, you'll be mine. The night feels full of wonder, the sky wears heaven's brightest light. Every dream has found its meaning, every heart has found its flight. The island sings a song of forever, the sea echoes our love so true. Every star above reminds me how blessed I am with you. Because of you, the stars shine brighter tonight. Brings your love back over me. Because of you, the stars shine brighter tonight. My future sparkles warm and bright. One love, one dream eternal. ever true. The brightest star will always be you. Into sunshine. The clouds would gather every morning. My heart was lost beneath the grave. Kept on hoping for tomorrow, but joy seemed far away. Then you came like a rainbow rising after every storm had gone. With one sweet touch, you changed my world and filled my heart with song. Now every breeze feels warm and free. The ocean smiles back at me. Every blessing that I find started the day you became mine. Your love turned my rain into sunshine. You fill my heart with golden light. Every wave now dances with me. Every star shines bright tonight. Your love turned my rain into sunshine. You made my darkest skies turn blue. One heart, one love, one destiny. Forever I'll belong to you. The palm trees sway a little sweeter. The island breeze calls out your name. The reggae rhythm wraps around us, and nothing feels the same. Every flower blooms with beauty. Every sunset softly glows. The love you planted in my heart grows stronger as it grows. The morning sky feels so alive. Every dream begins to rise. The beauty all around I see is your love surrounding me. Your love turned my rain into sunshine. You fill my heart with golden light. Every wave now dances with me. Every star shines bright tonight. Your love turned my rain into sunshine. You made my darkest skies turn blue. One heart, one love, one destiny. Forever I'll belong to you. When the rain falls on the ocean, I no longer feel afraid. Your love became my shelter, a promise that will never fade. Like a rainbow after rainfall, like the dawn that greets the sea. Every beautiful tomorrow starts with you and me. No storm could ever break us. No wind could change our way. Your love has built a home inside me that grows stronger every day. From the mountains to the shoreline, from the sunrise to the sea, every miracle around me speaks your love to me. island sings with happiness since you came my way. Every heartbeat tells the story of a love so pure and true. Life became a beautiful journey the day I fell for you. Your love turned my rain into sunshine. You are the light that fills my sky. Every sunrise, every ocean reminds me the reason why. Your love turned my rain into sunshine, the greatest blessing I ever knew. One love, one dream, eternally. My forever begins with you. The rain may come, the winds may blow, but our love will always grow. My heart will always sing this line. Your love turned my rain into sunshine. You are the island breeze in my life, yeah. Yeah. Before your love came into my world, the days were quiet, the nights were long. The ocean rolled without a purpose, like a heart without a song. Then you arrived like a gentle breeze, softly touching my soul. From that very moment onward, you made my broken spirit whole. Now every sunrise shines much brighter, everywhere feels fresh and free. Every beautiful tomorrow begins with you and me. You are the island breeze in my life, the gentle wind that makes my heart fly. Every wave sings your sweet name, nothing in my world's the same. You are the island breeze in my life. Forever you'll be here with me. The palm trees dance to your rhythm, the seabirds glide across the sky. The reggae music fills the shoreline as the golden sun goes by. Every flower blooms with beauty, every sunset paints the sea. Every little piece of heaven reminds me of you and me. The ocean whispers in the evening, the stars begin to shine above. Every heartbeat tells the story of our everlasting love. You are the island breeze in my life, the gentle wind that makes my heart fly. Sweet name, nothing in my world's the same. You are the island breeze in my life, the love that fills my days with light. One heart, one love, one destiny. Forever you'll be here with me. Your smile brings the sunshine through, like a rainbow after the storm. My hope even more. If tomorrow brings a new horizon, we'll walk it hand in hand. If the winds begin to change, together we will stand. Like the sea embraces every shore, my heart embraces you, forever and forevermore. Our love will carry through. Now every morning feels like heaven, every evening feels complete. The island sings a sweeter melody every time our two hearts meet. The breeze still whispers softly, the ocean sparkles blue. Every beautiful thing around me points my heart to you. You are the island breeze in my life, the sweetest blessing from above. Every sunrise, every sea brings your gentle love to me. You are the island breeze in my life, the dream I prayed would come alive. One love, one dream eternally. Forever you'll be my melody. The waves will roll, the palm trees sway. I'll keep on loving you every day. My heart forever knows it's true. The island breeze I'll always love is you. Because of you, my soul found peace. I wandered through so many seasons, looking for a place called home. My heart was restless like the ocean, always drifting on its own. Then you came like a gentle sunrise, calm as the whispering sea. With one embrace you changed my story and brought sweet serenity. Now every breeze feels soft and warm, your love has carried me through every storm. The island smiles in every view, because my heart has found you. Because of you, my soul found peace, like quiet waves beneath the coconut trees. Every sunrise fills my heart with light, every star shines a little more tonight. Because of you, my soul found peace, a love that never seems to cease. One heart, one love, one destiny, forever you're the home in me. Oh, the palm trees dance beside the shoreline, the ocean sings a gentle tune. The reggae rhythm wraps around us underneath the Caribbean moon. Every flower blooms with wonder, every rainbow paints the sky. Since the day you walked beside me, joy has never passed me by. Every morning starts with hope, every dream has room to grow. Your loving heart has shown me how to cherish every moment now. Because of you, my soul found peace, like quiet waves beneath the coconut trees. Every sunrise fills my heart with light, every star shines a little more tonight. Because of you, my soul found peace, a love that never seems to cease. One heart, one love, one destiny. Forever you're the home in me. When the rain falls on the island, I don't fear the stormy skies. Your love is my calm harbor, the hope within my eyes. Like the tide returns each morning, like the seabirds ride the breeze. Your love keeps my spirit grounded and my heart forever at ease. No mountain stands too high for us, no ocean is too wide. With your hand held close to mine, I'll always walk with pride. Through every season, every mile, our love will never cease. You gave my heart its greatest gift, a lifetime filled with peace. The island glows with endless beauty whenever I see your face. Every blessing all around me, every wave upon the sea, reminds me that the greatest treasure is your love surrounding me. Because of you, my soul found peace, like endless waves that never cease. Every breeze and every sea carry your sweet love to me. Because of you, my soul found peace, the greatest blessing I could receive. One love, one dream eternally. Forever you'll be my melody. The ocean whispers through the night, the stars fill up the sky with light. My heart will always know it's true. My soul found peace.